So recently मैंने देखा, I had gone shopping and I saw that in 2 different places I saw 2 different rings.
Okay.
Very similar looking rings, very similar, मतलब gold जितना एक में था उतना ही दूसरे में था. The amount of diamond, the carats, similar caratage of diamonds also, but फिर भी prices were different.
Okay. So my question to you is, did you look at the clarity of diamonds or the color of diamonds that was defined over there? If you did, and still there was a price difference, then obviously each jeweler has its own way of working, and like I mentioned previously, pricing में standardization अभी भी नहीं
है. Okay.
ठीक है. That is one thing. But if you're saying that almost similar things, there are a lot of technical aspects to it as well.
अच्छा.
अगर वो same color और same clarity है और फिर भी price में difference है, तो cut क्या था?
Okay.
Was it fluorescence none? Was there no brown green tinge to it? All of these aspects the common man does not understand.
Right.
And as much the jeweler will try to educate you, you may end up with a lot of confusion yourself.
Right.
So on that note, none of the jeweler I would say is wrong, but there are a lot of technicalities that work behind it, which is very important for the consumer to understand. And also the most important thing is, आजकल का ट्रेंड है कि मुझे सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया है.
हाँ.
हम वो सर्टिफिकेट लेते हैं और बड़े ही अच्छे से पर्स में रख लेते हैं और फिर उसके बाद वो गायब हो जाता है.
हाँ.
हम कभी ये थोड़ी सी एफर्ट नहीं डालते ये देखने की और पढ़ने की कि उस सर्टिफिकेट में लिखा क्या है.
हाँ.
All that we know is VVS clarity is the best. Okay. And that's what we would talk about, making the jeweler understand कि मुझे डायमंड के बारे में सब कुछ पता है.
हाँ.
Correct? But it does not work that way. There is color to it. There is cut to it. All of that. There are 4 C's जो define किए गए हैं और अब तो 5th भी आ गया है.
Okay.
After lab grown being certified by GIA, they are not going to categorize it into the clarity tones. They are going to give a different classification. That's the 5th C that they have added to it. So
can we know all the 4 and then the 5th C also?
Yes. So the first one is the cut, first C, then clarity, then cut, and then the color.
Cut, clarity, carat, and color. Okay.
And the 5th one is classification.
Okay.
So these are the 5 C's which primarily you need to know when you're walking into a diamond jewelry arena to have a glance at the jewelry.
Okay.
And then that's where you will be able to understand how it works. You just mentioned carat. मैंने देखा कि same carat था. So carat ऐसे ही नहीं होता. जैसे 1 रुपए में 100 पैसे होते हैं, वैसे 1 carat में 100 cent होते हैं.
Okay.
A small diamond jewelry piece will not have a carat where there are small diamonds studded. Would not have a carat. It would have some 20 cents, 25 cents of it.
Okay.
So a carat comes into picture where there's a rock solid piece.
Okay.
That's a solitaire.
Okay.
Or it could be 20 cent piece, it could be 30 cent piece, but a single piece. That's what is known as a carat.
Carat.
Total would be, if there are small parts of it, small round diamonds or any fancy diamonds, that would be cents.
Okay. So now supposing I have a piece of jewelry which has many small diamonds. तो 25 cents करके 1 कैरेट हो जाता है. पर उसका प्राइस एंड 1 कैरेट का सॉलिटेयर का प्राइस
जमीन आसमान का फर्क है.
ओके.